1. What is C++? C++ is an object-oriented programming language developed by Bjarne Stroustrup. It is an extension of the C language with features like classes, objects, inheritance, and polymorphism. 2. What is the difference between C and C++? C is a procedural language, while C++ supports both procedural and object-oriented programming. C++ also supports features like classes, objects, inheritance, and templates. 3. What is a class and object? A class is a blueprint or template for creating objects. An object is an instance of a class. 4. What is OOP? Object-oriented programming, OOP, is a programming paradigm based on the concept of objects. It includes features like encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. 5. What is the difference between a constructor and a destructor? A constructor is automatically called when an object is created. A destructor is automatically called when an object is destroyed. 6. What is function overloading? Function overloading means having multiple functions with the same name but different parameters. 7. What is operator overloading? Operator overloading allows us to redefine the meaning of operators for user-defined types. 8. What is inheritance? Inheritance is a mechanism where one class, child, inherits the properties and behaviors of another class, parent. 9. What is polymorphism? Polymorphism means having many forms. It allows functions or operators to act differently based on the context. It can be compile time, function overloading, or runtime, virtual functions. 10. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation is the process of wrapping data and functions into a single unit, class, and restricting direct access to some components using access specifiers. 11. What are access specifiers in C++? Access specifiers define the access level of class members. The three types are public, accessible from anywhere; private, accessible only inside the class; protected, accessible in the class and derived classes. 12. What is a virtual function? A virtual function is a member function in a base class that can be overridden in a derived class. It supports runtime polymorphism. 13. What is abstraction? Abstraction is the concept of hiding internal details and showing only the necessary features. 14. What is the difference between structure and class? By default, members of a struct are public, and members of a class are private. 15. What is a pointer? A pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of another variable. 16. What is the use of this pointer? The this pointer refers to the current object of the class. 17. What is the difference between compile time and runtime polymorphism? Compile time, achieved through function or operator overloading. Runtime, achieved through virtual functions. 18. What are templates in C++? Templates allow us to write generic programs, functions or classes that work with any data type. 19. What is the use of new and delete? New is used to dynamically allocate memory, and delete is used to free dynamically allocated memory. 20. What is exception handling in C++? Exception handling in C++ is done using try, catch, and throw blocks to handle runtime errors safely.